Hey everyone, so meet Jeff. Jeff is not a finance guru. He's the guy who thought fiscal policy was a new brand of mouthwash. His financial life was a masterpiece of modern chaos. He had a steady job, but his money seemed to have a mind of its own. His budgeting app was just a depressing diary of where his money went to. Mostly on takeout, subscription services he forgot about, and emergency sneaker drops. Saving felt impossible. Investing? That was for people with a suit and a briefcase, not for someone whose portfolio's biggest asset was a collection of vintage video game controllers. But last year, Jeff discovered a secret. A cheat code, really? And it wasn't some sketchy internet scheme. It was using AI-powered tools to handle the stuff he found boring, confusing, or just plain annoying, and it literally helped him keep an extra $3,000 in his pocket. How? It all started with one word: taxes. I know, just stick with me. If you're like Jeff and think finance is a drag, hit that like button and subscribe, because I'm about to show you how he stopped being scared of his own money. See, Jeff used to do his taxes the classic way. A last-minute panic the night before the deadline, a mountain of crumpled receipts, and a deep fear of the IRS. He'd overpay just to be safe, convinced. He was getting a decent refund, never realizing he was probably missing out. Enter his first AI tool, a smart tax assistant. This wasn't just digital paperwork. This thing asked him questions like a friendly, hyper-intelligent accountant. Hey Jeff, did you work from home this year? Did you donate to any charities, even that $5 at the grocery store checkout? What about those crypto trades you dabbled in? It scanned his documents, found deductions he never knew existed, home office space, educational courses related to his field, even state sales tax. The AI optimized his return legally and efficiently. The result? A refund that was $200 bigger than the previous year. Money he'd just been leaving on the table. And this woke something up in Jeff. If AI could find him money in the dreaded tax season, what else could it do? He went on a mission. He linked his accounts to an AI budgeting app. Instead of just categorizing his spending, it analyzed his patterns. It sent him a notification. Hey Jeff, you spend $187 a month on streaming services. You haven't opened Paramount Plus in 90 days. Want me to pause it? It spotted lifestyle inflation. His casual Friday coffee was now a daily $7 artisanal latte. Gently, it suggested a latte fund limit. It automated his savings, literally moving small amounts into a separate account every week, calling it his Future Jeff Fund. He didn't even feel it. Then came investing, the big scary one. Jeff used an AI-powered robo-advisor. He just answered questions about his goals. I want to maybe buy a place someday, but I also want to travel next year. And his risk tolerance, which he set to I will cry if I lose money, for a cool sneaker drop. The AI built and managed a diversified portfolio for him, rebalancing automatically. He started with just $25 a week. It was painless. He wasn't picking stocks. He was just funding future Jeff's dreams. So let's do the math. An extra fun $200 from smarter tax filing. Around $80 a month saved from canceled. Subscriptions and mindful spending, that's another $960 a year. His automated micro-investing, it's growing. All in, Jeff's AI-powered financial makeover put him roughly $3,000 ahead in a single year. Not from a side hustle, not from winning the lottery, from using smart, mostly free AI tools to do the heavy lifting. Jeff's story isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about working smarter, not harder. It's about letting AI handle the complexity so you can focus on living your life. You don't need to be a finance expert. You just need to know which tools to use. So what's your first step gonna be? Check out the links below for some of the tools Jeff found helpful. And if you want more real-life stories, like this on beating money, stress, and using tech to get ahead, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for the next video.